Hey guys, welcome to Annalisa's Awesome Adventures, and as you saw in the title of this video, how to get products from Amazon for free. Now this is no joke. Now to start you out, we have two vendors that want to give away some products. We got an air purifier and we have a massage gun. Both of these vendors want to give out several of these products for free. Just watch this video. We're going to put links in the description where to contact these vendors, and they'll explain the process of getting them, reviewing them, and you'll get these products for free. Alright, let me move this for a minute. So, when we started our channel, we needed some content, and we just started reviewing products that we were buying. We started with products from Dollar Tree. I think one of the first videos we did was Annalisa reviewed some Dollar Tree finger lights. And yeah, we only paid $1 for it, but it got us started. And everything we bought, whether it was YouTube equipment, gadgets, we just did a review for content, and we would make a lot of our purchases on Amazon and leave a review there, and that would help build up our profile. So somewhere down the line, one time we got an email from someone asking us, would you like to review our lights, our Christmas lights? And I was very excited. Here we were getting a free product. It was only valued at like $12, but they shipped it to us, and that got us started. It was a decent product. We spent we might have spent like 3 hours shooting, editing, and uploading it, and that got us started, and we started getting other emails, and once your name gets out there, and from what we hear, we're rated as like an A+ reviewer. The quality looked good, the audio sounded good, and we started getting emails from all over the place, and we had some great products. Probably the best product we had was a video projector, not a cheap one. The company sent us like one that was like valued around $300, and it turned out to be a great product. It replaced the video projector in our movie room, and we've had a few video projectors, and we've had other great products like a queen size air mattress, tablets, several tripods, several trail cameras, a lot of studio lighting equipment, softboxes, LED lights. You can just go through our channel and see all the products reviewed, and I'd say 90% of those were given to us for free. Now, sometimes you have to purchase the products in advance, shoot the video, and the company will reimburse you. Other times, the company will just send the product directly to you. Some even pay a commission. So our house is full of all sorts of electronic gadgets and stuff, and since we've been doing this for a while, we have gotten more selective of what products we'll review. So we have a lot of junk that we just really don't need. So if you want to receive products from Amazon, just start reviewing what you have. Every purchase you make, review it, upload a video to YouTube, leave a rating on Amazon and a review there, and it'll build up your Amazon profile. And as it stands right now, on a daily basis, I have emails from China, vendors wanting us to review their products. And unintentionally, our channel has turned into more of a product review channel. And so we have these products to help you get started, and we'll give you some more tips in the future of how to get free Amazon products. But for now, this should get you started. Thanks for watching.
Thanks guys for watching.
Bye-bye.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.